Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're constantly chasing your tail, trying to make ends meet? Well, you're not alone. And that's where budgeting apps come in. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to decide which one is right for you. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular budgeting apps, YNAB. And we're asking the question, is there a better option? Let's start by understanding what YNAB is all about. It's a zero-based budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses. The idea is to spend every dollar you earn before you earn it, ensuring you're living within your means. But is YNAB the end-all, be-all of budgeting apps? There are certainly some great things about YNAB. Its zero-based budgeting approach can be incredibly effective for those who need a strict financial framework. Plus, the app's interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate. However, there are also some potential drawbacks. For example, YNAB can be a bit rigid, and it might not be the best fit for those who prefer a more flexible budgeting approach. So, what are some alternative budgeting apps worth considering? Well, there are plenty of options out there. Some popular choices include Mint, PocketGuard, and MoneyGuru. Each app has its own unique features and benefits, so it's important to do your research and find the one that best suits your needs. Ultimately, the best budgeting app for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for a strict, zero-based budgeting approach, YNAB might be a great option. But if you prefer a more flexible approach, there are other excellent alternatives available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.